Hi, my name is Veronda Spence, 42 years old, from Maynard, Texas, and I'm a school bus driver. My health issue was back pain and trouble walking. I couldn't perform the active duties at work, and I couldn't spend time as much as I wanted to with my kids. Physical therapy and exercise. I did physical therapy probably a whole year and injections, but nothing was helping. At first, I was afraid to have the surgery and I kept putting it off and was like, I don't want to do that. Let's just keep doing injections. And finally, it got to that point to where I couldn't tolerate the pain anymore. It was outpatient surgery. I was there for a few hours and then I was released to go home. My life changed drastically. I actually am able to do multiple things alone and not with assistance. As in before, I would have assistance doing other things like just chores at home. I can do chores alone. I'm very happy. The pain is not as much as it used to be, and I'm able to walk and do everything I couldn't do before.